Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Zions Bancorporation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your internet browser and navigate to the Zions Bancorporation website. Log into your online banking account using your user credentials. Once logged in, locate the budgeting tools available in your account dashboard. Click on the budgeting tool option to access the budgeting features. Select the Create a New Budget option if prompted. Input your total monthly income in the designated field. List all fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Add your variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Allocate a portion of your budget for savings and emergency funds. Review your entries to ensure all expenses and income are accurately reflected. Adjust any amounts as necessary to fit within your overall budget. Save your budget once you are satisfied with the entries. Consider setting up alerts for when you exceed your budget limits. Regularly monitor your spending to stay on track with your budget. Utilize the reporting features to analyze your financial habits over time. Revisit and adjust your budget monthly to account for any changes in income or expenses. Feel free to explore additional resources or financial education materials offered by Zions Bancorporation for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.